Rivera, and then Terence Napa. Top 3 from Mindanao lahat. Umabot pa ng Abra.
Bornok Mongosong, Mitch Rivera, Terence Napat, David Magapo, Jeric Mitra. That's our top 5 leaderboard and the expert class in the Solid North Portales Pro-Am Motocross Championship 2025. It's still Bornok Mongosong entering the big jumps, followed by Mitch Rivera and Terence Napat. Looks like we are having a gap between Mitch Rivera and Terence Napat at the back portion of our track. Right now, Mitch Rivera is closing in on Bornok Mongosong. Bornok Mongosong is still gliding through his first position in the expert category. Mitch Rivera catching up on second, Terence Napat is still on third. On fourth position on the battle with Jeric Mitra is David Magapo. Once again, top 5 update. It's David Magapo and Jeric Mitra on a battle for 4th position. Top 5 recap update inside the track. Bornok Mongosong is on the lead, followed by Mitch Rivera. Terence Napat on 3rd. Coming on 4th position is David Magapo on a battle with Jeric Mitra, currently on 5th position. That's our top 5 update on the leaderboards for the expert class here at the Solid North Portales Pro-Am Motocross Championship right here in the La Paz Raceway, San Gregorio, La Paz, Abra. That's Bornok Mongosong, Mitch Rivera on second, Terence Napat just entering the rhythm double section. Still on the battle for 4th position, we have here David Magapo and Jeric Mitra coming in for the rhythm doubles. Still Bornok Mongosong and Mitch Rivera on the top 2 leaderboards. Still 9 minutes to go for our 20 minutes scheduled plus 2 laps. So we still got 9 minutes plus 2 laps. Bornok Mongosong is still on the lead, followed by Mitch Rivera. Then we have here Terence Napat on 3rd position. Strategies like this usually they have their resting points, but right now all riders are maintaining their speed, the pacing, keeping up on the endurance to keep up on the energy for our racing. Update, Jeric Mitra is now on 4th position, David Magapo is on 5th. Once again, Bornok Mongosong on the lead, followed by Mitch Rivera exiting the rollers, followed by Terence Napat. Recap update inside the tracks on our positions in the expert class. Bornok Mongosong on the lead, followed by Mitch Rivera, Terence Napat on 3rd. 4th is Jeric Mitra, followed by David Magapo. Once again, coming into the tabletop jump is Bornok Mongosong 111 from Yamaha, Philippines. followed by Mitch Rivera, the Hunter. That's Mitch Rivera, the Hunter. Catching up, lurking right behind Bornok Mangosong. Update on the track, top 5. We have here Bornok Mangosong, Mitch Rivera, Jeric Mitra, David Malgapol, and Maclean Aguilar on the top 5 leaderboards for the expert class. Once again, it's still Bornok Mangosong on the tracks. Our top leaderboard followed by Mitch Rivera on second position. Bornok Mangosong 111. We have 4 more minutes to go for our 20 minutes scheduled plus 2 laps. Still, Bornok Mangosong followed by Mitch Rivera. Exiting the roller section, we have Bornok Mangosong into the corner of our sand section, one of the most challenging parts of the track. Once again, BM111, Bornok Mangosong from Yamaha, Philippines. First, Bornok Mangosong, followed by Mitch Rivera. That's Mitch Rivera entering the rhythm double section. Mitch the Hunter Rivera is on second position, following or just lurking behind Bornok Mangosong. Now on third position, we have bike number 87. That's Master Jeric Mitra from 87 Racing Team. Once again, that's Bornok Mangosong on the lead, coming in to our first corner. Mitch Rivera just lurking behind, following through Bornok Mangosong. We have here for the Solid North Portless Pro-Am Motocross Championship here at La Paz Raceway, San Gregorio, La Paz, Abra. It's BM111, Bornok Mangosong, the Lion of Philippine Motocross, currently the King of Philippine Motocross in his season, followed by the Hunter Mitch Rivera. Still have it here, BM111. That is Bornok Mangosong. BM111, Bornok Mangosong, the Lion, the King of Philippine Motocross, is right here with us, followed by the Hunter on a CRF 450. That's Mitch Rivera on bike number 4. Once again, that's our top 2 riders. Minutes is over. We have 2 more laps to go for the expert class as we ended at 20 minutes. Last 2 laps for Bornok Mangosong as he enters this lap. 111, BM111 of Yamaha Philippines, that's Bornok Mangosong, followed by Mitch Rivera, bike number 4. On 3rd position, we also have your Master Jarek Mitra coming from the 87 Racing. 3rd position rider, that's Master Jarek Mitra. Coming in on 4th, bike 27, that's David Glenn Malgapo from RSA Taiwan Speed Factory Racing. Once again, we have here exiting the rollers is Bornok Mangosong, followed by Mitch Rivera. Mitch Rivera, the Hunter, on board a Honda CRF 450. On the rollers section, Bornok Mangosong is still at it. Coming into our sand section, BM111, that's Bornok Mangosong from Yamaha Philippines. Our first or our race leader. Coming in also here is Mitch, the Hunter Rivera, bike number 4 on board a Honda CRF 450. Once again, that's Mitch Rivera, the Hunter, on a CRF 450. Back on our race leader is BM111 from the BM111 Racing, Yamaha Philippines, Bornok Mangosong. have it, Bornok Mangosong. Checkered flag is being waved into the last corner for BM111 from Yamaha Philippines, Bornok Mangosong. Coming in